when the initiation is given, your both the eyes and this, a total triangle is connected with the bindu. Is a triangle and the bindu. And this, every religion has mentioned. The Shri Chakra has a bindu. Even the Star of Davis, which is a Jewish sacred symbol, even there two triangles are intersecting and the center is the bindu. It is what is the human consciousness which those evolved beings, they had mentioned it. This Shambhavi is that bindu connected in the center of triangle. Chaitanya Shashvatam Shantam Vyomatitam Niranjanam Nada Bindu Kalatitam Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. The consciousness has risen here, and that is what in our scriptures they say, that anybody he leaves his body in Varanasi, उसका जन्म मरण का चक्कर समाप्त हो जाता है. वाराणसी, भगवान शिव वाराणसी में वास करते हैं और काल भैरव जो काल का विजय प्राप्त हो वो उसका क्षेत्रपाल है, रक्षा करता है. But the best part is, it is not that is symbolic outside. Varanasi is present in you. Nasi is Nasika. Vara is beyond Nasika. And beyond Nasika is this triangle, the Star of Davis, the beginning of Shri Chakra. This is Varanasi. This is here where the Shiva dwells. This is here where the Shiva dwells. Deep inside, where is his residence? If I put a needle inside and let it come out, and from the ear I put another needle and it comes out, where they are intersecting, that is the point where Shiva resides. Shiva and Shakti. Shiva and Shakti, they reside there. It is the pineal gland, where there is a blue pearl, there is a Neela Bindu. And that blue pearl is my highest level of consciousness. My level of consciousness begins from Muladhara, the root of the spinal cord. The bottom of the spinal cord is Muladhara. My consciousness, every human being consciousness resides there. And when the Chetana is there, the Pashu Bhav is there. The feeling, behavior of animal. What is the animal behavior? Food, sex, shelter. For these three things, the animal can even kill. Animal can fight. Animal can do anything. If the animal is hungry, has to have food. If animal is having the desire for sex, he has to have sex. The animal has desire to have a shelter, he has to have a shelter. That is a Pashu Bhav. When the consciousness is risen, when the Manushya Bhav comes, the desire to share, you will not find any bird. He'll say, okay, I have 5 grains, come on, few birds, please come. One is your, one is your, one is your. She will not do that. She'll just go on eating. But a human being, he'll say, okay, I have 5 chapatis. We are 8 people. Let us share. Manushya Bhav. And as the consciousness rises, is the Dev Bhav. And even the level of desire is different. At the bottom level, if the consciousness is Muladhara, the Maslow's law of hierarchy. It says the desire is food, sex, shelter, and all those basic needs. And as it grows, the lesser of those desires. And then slowly, the desire for recognition, the desire of humanity, helping, the desire of passion and love, and then the desire for self-esteem. This go on reducing, the quality go on increasing, and it goes on increasing.